Good morning, children. Children, in last video we have talked about how to calculate oxidation number of an element in a compound. Now, on the basis of that oxidation number calculated, how we are going to balance a chemical equation. The method is called as oxidation number method. Children, usually in exam it is asked, balance this following chemical equation in acidic medium or in basic medium by oxidation number method. This is how the question comes, and one equation is given to me. If you are seeing on your screen, this equation need to be balanced in basic medium. How to balance this chemical equation according to oxidation number method is a task now. So the first step is divide the given equation into two halves. That means in this equation I am seeing this MnO4 ion is converting into MnO2, and another half of the reaction would be Br minus charge is converting into BrO3 minus 1 charge. These are the two halves reaction, and again what I am going to do, I am going to find out the oxidation number of manganese both the sides and oxidation number of Br both the side. If you calculate, if you will be finding this, the oxidation number of manganese plus 7 is here, and here it is plus 4. Bromine oxidation number on left hand side is minus 1, and here it would be plus 5. Children, if you see carefully, you will get to know the in first half equation the oxidation number is decreasing. That means this is the reduction process. In another half reaction, the oxidation number is increasing. That means it is the oxidation process, and both the processes are happening in one reaction. That is why we are calling this equation as redox reaction. Now the next step is I am going to find out ki how much decrease or increase in oxidation number is happening in every half equation. If you see carefully, there is a decrease in oxidation number by 3 in first half. So I would write here, there is a decrease in oxidation number by 3 per atom. Similarly, here what you are seeing, there is an increase, and the increase is by 6. Increase in oxidation number by 6 per atom. Now, after calculating increase and decrease in oxidation number in every half reaction, we are going to balance the net charge. Matlab increase and decrease should be equal in both the equation. And how to make it equal? The decrease is plus 3 in first half. The increase is plus 6 in next half, another half. So I will increase this decrease by multiplying this first half equation by 2. If I multiply this first half equation by 2, so 2 MnO4 I will be getting, 2 MnO2 I will be getting, and because the number of atoms becomes double, the decrease will also be double, as 3 2s are 6 only. So what would I do? I will multiply this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Multiply equation number 1 by 2. So what would I get? I would be getting 2 MnO4 minus gives 2MnO2. Why did I multiply? Because I am balancing the net charge. The net charge should be equal in both the half equation. Now I'll be adding equation number 2 and equation number 3. So what would I get now? I will be getting 2, and I am saying this is equation number 3. I'll be seeing that on adding I will get 2MnO4 minus plus Br gives 2MnO2 plus BrO3 minus. So now what had happened? The equation is balanced in terms of oxidation states. The net charge is equal on left hand side and right hand side. Let's check the number of atoms. 2Mn on left hand side, 2Mn on right hand side, 1 Br on left hand side, 1 Br on right hand side. But 8 oxygen on left hand side, and there are 2 2s of 4 plus 3 7 oxygen on left hand side, right hand side. So for balancing oxygen atoms, we used to add water molecule. On right hand side there is one less oxygen atom. It is 7 in number. So for making it 8, I will add one water molecule on right hand side. So what would I do? I will take this equation 2MnO4 minus plus Br gives me 2MnO2 plus BrO3 minus plus H2O. Now oxygen atoms are also balanced on both the side, but along with oxygen I have added 2 hydrogen atoms also on right hand side, and on left hand side there is no hydrogen atom. So for balancing these hydrogen atoms, I'll be adding 2 hydrogen ion on left hand side, so that number of hydrogen atom will also be equal on both the sides. Now let's check it. 2 hydrogen on left hand side, 2 hydrogen on right hand side, 2 Mn left hand side, 2 Mn right hand side, 1 Br left hand side, Br right hand side, 2 for the 8 oxygen left hand side and 8 oxygen right hand side. So children, I would say here this equation is balanced in acidic medium. Now I will convert this equation into basic medium. The rule is saying the total number of hydrogen atoms which are present in the equation here, exactly the same number of hydroxyl ions will be added on both the side of the equation. So 2H ion are present here. I will take 2 hydroxyl ions and it would be added in on both the side of the equation. So this is how it is happening in my equation. Now if you see carefully children, these 2 hydrogen and 2 hydroxyl will make 2 water molecules. So what would happen? If you write carefully, so I will be getting, after adding 2H plus 2OH ion, 2H2O plus 2MnO4 minus plus bromide gives you 2MnO2 plus BrO3 minus plus H2O plus 2OH ion. But if you see carefully, I am seeing 2 water here and 1 water here. So I'll be manage this water molecule. This water molecule will be cancelled out from right hand side and 1 will be remaining on left hand side. So I will erase this water molecule and here it becomes 1 in number. And I would also say, rubbing this OH ion from here and I am making it right to OH ion right here, and because I am seeing now the hydroxyl ions in the equation, so the equation is balanced in basic medium. So this is how we used to balance equation in acidic or in basic medium with the help of oxidation number method.